Yo, long time no see. We're leaf bending today. Not fire bending, not earth bending, not water bending, not air bending, leaf bending. We're going to be leaf bending a switch. This particular switch. This is a clone panda or panda clone, 3-pin panda clone. Halo stem, probably a clone as well. But before anybody says anything about me not getting original switches, blah blah blah, yada yada, this is for experimental purposes only, or educational experimental purposes only. I might put these on a board, I might not. I don't think anybody really wants to say anything, but yeah. So the chances of you getting cross-eyed after finishing this whole leaf bending process is it's slightly moderate, or maybe lower than that. But chances of you succeeding and failing may differ. You might succeed on multiple switches and you might fail on multiple as well. So please do this at your own risk. You are accountable for your own actions and your own actions only. So yeah. Anyways, let's get right into it. Alright, so to leaf bend, what you need is your cap, a tactile switch, and then your not so tactile switch, and also a key switch opener if you have one, but if you don't, this would kind of work. Put this one side, open this one up. This is why you need a key switch opener. Anyways, once you open it, you'll have your spring, stem, top housing, and then your bottom housing. So to leaf bend. Alright, so this is going to be fun and everything, but quick disclaimer, I will not be held accountable or responsible if you somehow happen to screw up your switch. But then again, just feel free to contact me anyhow, if you need help or whatever not. But of course, this is an experiment to solve the issue. So if you have any spares, like maybe just take one or two, try it around. If it works, then go ahead and do it for the rest of your linear switches. But if it does not, just drop me a message. We can see what we can do from there. So yeah, back to the video. What you actually want to do is, hold on. Alright. To have this and this kind of slightly past this line. Right? So you take your cap, go to the side, just slightly pull it out a little bit, not too much. Alright, then do the same for the other side. Okay, so this should do it. Maybe a little bit more. Right, so when pulling, you want to make sure that you don't pull the bottom part. You kind of touch this top and you just yank it like that. But don't yank it too hard, because if you yank it too hard and you try to fix it back, you might just screw this whole thing up. Okay, one more thing to take note is when you leaf bend, you want to make sure that this small little pin hit here is touching the front part. Right? So if I take this out, this small little hit is to connect with this front part here. So
So let's put it back. And once you've done that and it's touching, then you can reassemble your switch. Film it, lube it, whatever you feel like doing with it. But for some, even though you've leaf bent, the tactility is still not there, is because sometimes the legs here came pre-lubed. So you might just want to wipe that off. Once it's wiped off, tak balik, then you can tutupkan your switch after you lube and film it, or however you want to do with the switch. Let's get it done. Right. This comparison with the first tactile one. And there's this. So there won't be consistency with every switch, since the way you yank the leaf may differ. But if tactility is what you're looking for, then this is it. But sound will differ for sure. And it's practically it. So yeah.
Fun, right? If you succeeded, good for you. If you failed, try again, redo it. It's not the end of the world. If it doesn't work again, Franken switch it. Harvest the stems. Use the housings. Anything else, right? Just don't throw the switch away just because it's a clone. There are some things that's usable, at least. But anyways, I will not be putting any links down in the description to these switches, but if anyone is curious to them and would like to experiment, I would put a Taobao link down and you can just go up there and search it. Although, in order to browse Taobao, you would need specific keywords of Chinese characters in order to find them. So there's a Reddit post about it. I will put a link down there, and it should help you with the ease of browsing. Once you reach the site, it's pretty hard because it's all in Mandarin. So hopefully you have someone around you who knows how to speak and read Chinese. If you don't, just navigate around. I'm sure something will come for you. Anyways, that's it. That's pretty much to it for leaf bending. Since these are clones, again, it's experimental purposes only. I don't promote using clones. I don't promote buying clones. Purely experimental, right? It's 2021, a new year. Happy New Year. And obviously, I hope that this year will be better than the last. Stay safe, and I will see you all pretty soon. Yeah, soon. Pretty soon. Probably before Chinese New Year. But then again, I'll be streaming soon. So, see you all there. I'll put that down in the link too. So yeah, bye.